I'm going to show you another tool to find keywords. This one is called OneLook. OneLook. It's at onelook.com. So I discovered that tool thanks to my friend Steve P. Young, who's an app developer, but also the host of the appmasters.co podcast. And so what you see here is OneLook is a dictionary search, but there's an option at the bottom called reverse dictionary. I'm going to click on it, and here I'm going to be able to enter keywords, and I'm going to have other ones that are going to be suggested. So let's enter yoga as usual. So here it's a small list, but I have yogic, a term I didn't know before. Yogi, I have seen that. Asana, yogism, I didn't know. So those are keywords that I'm gonna be able to look up. I can also enter keyword phrase, yoga pose, and then I'm gonna have more results. Chakra, yogic again. I'm gonna enter workouts. Not much, maybe without a S. Here we go. Exercising, jogging. Jogging is not matching. What else? Stretching we had before. Bodybuilding. So I have just more keywords that I can look up.